Welcome to this contemporary country estate on 5.81 acres, offering privacy, luxury, and tranquility. This nearly 5,200 square foot home is designed and custom built by Street of Dreams award winners, where no detail is overlooked. It's nestled in a peaceful setting with a farmhouse, a corral for horses, and an orchard with mature trees. Heading inside, you'll discover a masterfully crafted home, offering a seamless fusion of luxury, style, and functionality. Travertine tile floors lead to the elegant dining room. The gourmet kitchen features nearly every convenience, with a slab granite cooktop island and top-of-the-line appliances, including a Sub-Zero refrigerator and Wolf double ovens. Enjoy the built-in wine fridge, Fisher and Paykel dishwashers, pull-out steps to reach upper cabinetry, a walk-in pantry, warming drawer, and much more. The spacious master suite features maple hardwood floors and direct access to the patio. Relax in the spa-like master bath with an elegant soaking tub, travertine tiled shower, granite countertops, and radiant water-heated floors. You'll find another main-level guest bedroom suite, complete with a travertine tile bath, large tiled shower, and a walk-in closet. The office with 15-foot ceilings features maple hardwood floors and custom built-ins. The large laundry room has porcelain tile floors and 2 sets of washer and dryer hookups. Plus, you'll find a convenient hobby and fitness wing with a canning kitchen. On the upper level, double doors lead to a bonus room with a skylight, and it's plumbed for a wet bar. It's a versatile loft area, ready for any number of uses. You'll also find 2 more ensuite bedrooms. You can entertain on the expansive patio, overlooking this fenced, tranquil setting with fruit trees, a rose garden, and planting beds. The oversized 3-bay garage includes a 24-foot-long bay for your boat, RV, or other toys. You'll also find an original farmhouse and a detached garage set up with horse stalls and a corral. A peaceful and luxurious lifestyle can be yours at this country estate. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Lois M with Premier Property Group at 503-453-3092.